Hi guys, up in my workroom. I'd forgotten I'd put a few things up here to get on with. I've been doing a little series of projects recently where I've found some of my old projects up in the loft where I went to get our Christmas decorations. This is one that I've got to do a little bit of work on to get it back in working condition. But that's not what I'm doing just now. That thing there is a kit that my grandson was given to work on, and somewhere along the line while he's been working on it various bits have got lost, so I've got to try and replace the bits so we can finish the project. That's a rubber band powered car I did recently for somebody. That's a train that I want to see if I can make it into an electric train. At the moment it's friction powered. That's a little water jet boat that I was going to look at to see if I can make it into a radio controlled one. And I've just come up here to do something completely different. I want to do a little marble maze or marble run. I've just been watching a video by Kont Kont, K-O-N-T. I subscribe to his channel. He does lots of nice simple projects, and he's just done a marble run using BBQ skewers, and that's what I've come up here to do. So all of this I have to move out the way for a while so I can do this marble maze. I need some large ball bearings or marbles, but in this tin here I've got magnetic sticks and balls. I'm trying to open it with one hand, which is not easy. There we go. Yeah, we've got some good sized metal balls there, so I'll use them as the marbles. And somewhere over here I've got barbecue skewers. I need a bit of wood for a base. Yeah, that's something I've used before, isn't it? So I'll drill a couple of holes in that end and that end for two barbecue skewers each side to go up, and then link them together with sloping barbecue skewers for the marbles to run down. Right, to make this work, we don't want bent barbecue skewers like that. We want them to be as straight as possible, so you'll have to be a bit selective. Got some awful ones there. At one end the ball bearing's got to be supported as it rolls along, but when it gets to the other end it's got to drop through. Well, first attempt didn't work. I was trying to use super glue and it did glue it, but I'd got all the angles wrong. So I'm taking it apart again We're going to restart, and I'm going to use hot glue instead. Well, there we are, ready to test it. I'll put a link up in the top here somewhere to Kont Kont original video, so you can see how he did it. But this is my version. So I'll just put one forwards. That seems to work. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2, 18 barbecue skewers. I could have gone up a couple more layers, but time's running on. So there we go. I used hot glue in the end. I was going to use super glue, but that was causing more trouble. So I just went for hot glue in the end. It's quite difficult to actually get the gaps right. What I've actually used is where the points of the barbecue skewers are, I've used them as the bit where it suddenly gets wider and the ball drops through. So rather than just slowly spreading apart, the actual points are where you suddenly get the gap and it drops through easily. So that's the point, the point, the point, point, point. And that's it. Job done. But check out Kont Kont video, because he's where I got the idea. This is effectively a shout out, I suppose, for his channel.